dark elbows, underarm, hyperpigmentation, rough skin, cellulite, or the appearance of stretch marks. Before you spend money on expensive body treatment, let me show you how I make a luxurious coffee scrub. Designed to exfoliate dead skin, smooth rough texture, and leave the skin looking brighter and more radiant. And because I know that harsh scrubs can leave sensitive skin feeling irritated, I grind my sugar and coffee into a finer texture for a smoother exfoliating experience. The best part, this is a commercial style formula you can make for your own skincare business. Let's make it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Here we learn, create and shine. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I truly appreciate your support. Sugar is our main exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and smooth rough skin. You can use white, brown sugar or combination of both. You can also use fine salt or Dead Sea salt. We are making a 500 gram of this coffee scrub. I started by grinding the sugar into a fine powder because I want the scrub to exfoliate gently and penetrate comfortably without feeling harsh, especially on sensitive skin. I use 250 grams of sugar. Coffee is the star ingredient in today's production. It provides exfoliation and gives the scrub its coffee character. Always use coffee that contains caffeine when making a coffee body scrub. Avoid decaffeinated coffee if you especially want caffeine in your formulation. I used 30 grams. Here I also ground the coffee into a finer texture because coffee can have sharp granules. I want the scrub to exfoliate gently without being too harsh on the skin or causing redness after use. After grinding, I added it straight into the mixing bowl. Turmeric adds a natural golden color and provides antioxidant and skin conditioning benefits. I used 5 grams. Here I added turmeric into my mixing bowl. Honey is a humectant that helps attract and retain moisture, leaving the skin feeling softer. I used 10 grams. Here I added my honey also into my mixing bowl. This is my homemade glow oil, a blend of different carrier oils and essential oils, aloe vera gel and other skin loving ingredients, specially formulated to nourish the skin and give it a natural healthy glow. I use 40 grams of glow oil. If you don't have glow oil, you can replace it with any carrier oil. Avocado oil, a nourishing carrier oil rich in fatty acids and vitamins that helps moisturize, soften and condition the skin. I use 35 grams. I added the avocado oil at this stage inside the mixing bowl. If you are enjoying this coffee scrub tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who might find it useful, and subscribe to Shine On DIY for more practical DIY beauty and skincare recipes. Thank you for your support. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps protect the oils from oxidation and provides skin conditioning benefits. I used 2.5 grams. At this stage, I added it into the mixing bowl. I used 120 grams of shower gel base we prepared in my previous video to give this coffee body scrub a luxurious, creamy and foamy finish. It gently exfoliates, cleanses and leaves the skin feeling soft, smooth and absolutely radiant. I'll be dropping the link on the video showing how we achieve this shower gel base in the description box below. For preservation, I use Liquid Germal Plus, a broad spectrum preservative that helps protect the product against microbial growth and keep the scrub safe and stable during use. I use 2.5 grams. At this stage, all the ingredients for this production are now in the mixing bowl. It's time to mix thoroughly, ensuring that everything is well combined and evenly incorporated to achieve a smooth, uniform coffee body scrub. This coffee scrub is one of my best-selling scrub recipes, and today I'm sharing it with you, my amazing viewers, completely free. If you appreciate this recipe, let me see your thank you in the comment section below. After mixing for a while, I decided to transfer the mixture into a more transparent mixing bowl for you to see it clearly. As I mix everything together, let me remind you why this coffee scrub is one of my favorites. The sugar and coffee powder provide gentle physical exfoliation, helping to buff away dead skin cells and leaving the skin feeling smooth, soft and refreshed. The turmeric powder adds a beautiful glow-focused touch to the formula, while the honey helps the skin feel soft and moisturized. I also added avocado oil and glow oil to give the scrub a nourishing, conditioning feel, helping to leave the skin feeling soft, supple and radiant after rinsing. And remember the shower gel base we prepared in my previous video. I use it to give the scrub that luxurious, creamy and foamy finish, so it doesn't just exfoliate, it also cleanses the skin beautifully. And finally, vitamin E and the preservative help support stability and quality of the finished product. So with every scoop, you are getting exfoliation, cleansing, nourishment and a beautiful radiant looking finish, all in one luxurious coffee scrub. Here I sanitize my packaging containers with isopropyl alcohol to help reduce the risk of microbial contamination and ensure that my containers are clean and ready for packaging. I'm carefully filling each cup to ensure a neat and professional presentation while maintaining good hygiene throughout the packaging process. And look at that beautiful, creamy and rich, luxurious texture. This is exactly the consistency we want for our finished coffee scrub. Let me show you how to use this scrub. Wet your skin with clean water and apply a gentle amount of the coffee scrub. Gently massage it in circular motion, paying special attention to areas that may need extra care, such as dark elbow, knees, rough areas, and areas of uneven looking skin tone. You can also gently massage areas that with appearance of stretch marks. If you didn't grind your sugar and coffee as finely as I did in this video, please be extra gentle when using the scrub. Avoid vigorous or aggressive scrubbing, as this can irritate the skin and cause redness or discomfort. Gentle circular motions are all you need for effective exfoliation. Regular exfoliating with this scrub helps to remove dead skin cells and leave the skin feeling smoother, which can help your body cream work better. For best results, you can exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week while being gentle with your skin and avoiding over scrubbing. After allowing the scrub to sit for about 15 minutes, rinse your body thoroughly with lukewarm or room temperature water. Pat your skin dry gently, then apply your body cream immediately while the skin is still slightly damp to help lock in moisture and prevent dryness. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you are enjoying this video. Your engagement helps YouTube recommend and push this video to more people who may find it useful. So go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know what you think about the coffee scrub. And here is the final reveal after 24 hours. Our coffee scrub has settled beautifully with that rich, creamy and luxurious texture we are aiming for. Look at how smooth and scoopable it is. This is exactly the kind of premium looking coffee scrub you can confidently add to your skincare line. Always be good to one another. Anticipate my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.